It's Good morning. Today I'm here to talk about something truly transformative, the design thinking approach. This approach is more than a process. It's a mindset that focuses on innovation by putting the user first. In this presentation, I'll take you through its principles, stages, and practical applications, showing you how it's reshaping problem solving across industries. My name is Akshat Singh Verma, batch 47, and I'm excited to get started. What is design thinking? Design thinking is a user centered, iterative approach to solving complex problems. It emphasizes understanding the end user's needs and generating innovative solutions. This method is especially useful for wicked problems, those without clear answers. The process consists of five stages. Empathize, it means to understand the user's world. Define, we have to define the identity and frame the right problems. Ideate, brainstorm creative solutions. Prototype, create low cost models of the solution. Test, refine solutions based on the feedback we're getting from the users. This structured yet flexible process ensures solutions are functional, user friendly, and innovative. For example, think of designing a product like a smartwatch. Instead of just adding features, you first understand how and why users interact with wearable devices. Why is design thinking important? Let's explore why design thinking is so effective. Today, we face complex challenges from improving healthcare accessibility to enhancing digital experiences. Design thinking stands out because it focuses on user needs rather than assumptions, encourages collaboration among diverse teams, fosters creativity to develop unique solutions. A great success story is Airbnb. Early in its journey, the platform struggled to attract users. Principles of design thinking. The effectiveness of design thinking lies in its core principles. Empathy, truly understanding the user's perspective. Iteration, refining ideas and solutions through constant feedback that you get from the users. Collaboration, diverse teams bring fresh ideas and perspective. Collaborating is really important in this field. Creativity, thinking outside the box drives innovation. Now, user centricity. Every step revolves around solving the user's problem. Examples. Now, when IDEO redesigned hospital emergency rooms, they focused on creating calming spaces for both patients and staff, addressing emotional and logistic needs alike. The heart of design thinking. Let's focus on empathy, the foundation of design thinking. Empathy involves understanding users' emotions, challenges, and motivations. Techniques include user interviews, asking open ended questions to uncover insights, observation, watching users interact with products or services, empathy maps, visualizing what users say, think and feel and do. Example, let's say let's just imagine designing a navigation app for visually impaired users. Now, by observing their experiences and listening to their feedback, you can identify pain points like unclear voice, commands, and create better solutions. User centered research. Once empathy is established, we move to user centered research. This stage involves organizing insights to identify patterns and key problems. Techniques include journey mapping, tracking steps users to achieve a goal like booking a flight, personas, crafting profiles that represent typical users, such as a budget conscious traveler. Affinity mapping, grouping related feedback to spot trends. These tools help us focus on what truly matters to users, making our solutions more impactful. Defining the problem. The next step is defining the problem. Here we shift from broad observations to identifying a specific challenge. Instead of asking, how can we make buses more efficient? We ask, how might we make bus rides enjoyable for long distance travelers? This reframing encourages fresh thinking and opens the door to innovative solutions. Now, let's take an example. A mobile banking app might reframe its problem as how might we make banking stress free for first time users? Ideation and brainstorming. Once we define the problem, we move to ideation. This is where creativity takes the lead. Techniques include brainstorming, generating as many ideas as possible. Scamper, a structured method to substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to other uses, eliminate, and reverse ideas. For example, when reimagining school lunch programs, ideas might range from improving nutritional options to creating gamified meal selection apps. The goal here is to generate quantity before refining for quality. Prototyping and testing. Now comes prototyping and testing. A prototype is a simple, tangible model of the solution. It allows us to visualize ideas early on, test functionality with real users. Testing involves collecting feedback to refine the solution. For example, when developing a fitness app, early prototypes might focus on tracking steps, while later iterations refine motivational features based on users' feedback. The key insight here is that prototypes don't have to be perfect, they just have to convey the idea. Real world applications. Design thinking isn't just for apps or products, it's used across fields like healthcare, redesigning patient journeys to reduce anxiety. Education, creating engaging learning experiences tailored to students. Now, the social impact, tackling global issues like clean water access. Example, the organization IDEO used design thinking to develop low cost, effective irrigation pumps for farmers in India. By focusing on user needs, they empowered communities and improved livelihoods. Conclusion. To conclude, design thinking is more than a process. It's a powerful mindset that prioritizes users, fosters creativity, and drives impactful innovation. By empathizing, iterating, and collaborating, we can solve even the most complex challenges. As Steve Jobs said, design is not just what it looks like and feels like, design is how it works. Thank you for your time.